Hi folks, it's June 6th, 2025, and I've gone and highlighted a few spots on the map where trouble's brewing. Now, one area is looking extra spicy. Right across eastern Colorado, southern Kansas, western Texas, and Oklahoma. If you're in those spots, listen up. We've got a real shot at tornadoes, big old hail, and damaging winds tonight. Farther east, folks in Arkansas, Missouri, Kentucky, Tennessee, you could see strong storms redevelop this afternoon. And up in southern New England, yep, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, you might get hit with damaging winds and hail too. If you're in the highlighted zones, pay attention. Details in the description. Stay safe, y'all, and don't forget to like and subscribe to receive daily updates.